Anyway, we got a nice Rhone wine here.
This is really, speaking of smoking, this would go great with a brisket. Mm-hmm. What I liked about this wine when I tasted it, which I tasted many months ago, it's just it's a soft Cote de Rhone. It's well-rounded. It's got all the flavor components.
Oh, it's got a little punch to it.
It's not that aggressive, but I really, really liked it.
Delicious.
And we were really fortunate to get this.
Yeah, and especially since 2011, which was a very good year, and right now they're releasing the 2013s, one of which we featured just a couple of months ago that was spectacular, especially considering the bad press on the 2013 vintage in most of France and a good part of Italy. So
this is $21.99 on the shelf if you can find it. $12.99 if you want more for a Cote de Rhone.
Cote de Rhone, a really good Cote de Rhone.
Really good. This is a 96 for me. This is really.
I'm there.
And this would be great with barbecued smoked ribs.